Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to Metamask wallet. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Binance application and then simply tap on this assets in the bottom right corner. Now you need to tap on this port option in the top, and here you will be able to see all of the cryptocurrencies that you have. You just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw BTC, but I don't have BTC, so I will demonstrate it. So let's say you want to withdraw this LSK, and then just simply tap on this withdrawal option. After that, you need to tap on this send via crypto network, and now you need to paste the address first. So in order to get the address, you need to launch the Metamask application, and then you just have to select that particular network which was selected in your Binance app. In the Binance application, we have selected this LSK. So just come to MetaMask and search for LSK, and then you need to tap on the receive option, and after that you just have to copy the deposit address from there. Now come back here, paste the address here, and then select the network. It will automatically take your network, so you don't need to worry about it, but make sure that the network is same in both the applications. Then you just have to enter the withdrawal amount and tap on withdraw button in the bottom right corner. On the next page, you just have to confirm your transaction, and this way you can easily transfer crypto from Binance to Metamask. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.